Are you playing with balloons?
Balloons.
Yeah.
Balloons.
Can you give Mommy a yellow balloon? Where's the yellow one? Thank you!
Miss.
What's that one? What color is that one?
Purple.
Good job! What color is the other one?
Red.
This
No,
one.
what color is that one?
Orange.
Yeah!
Pink.
Pink, good job. Where's all the white balloons? Where'd all the white balloons go? Remember you made a pile? I think it's under your foot. Where's the white ones?
No.
No, that's not a white one.
The purple.
Yeah.
Where's the white ones?
Yeah, good job.
What's that big welt on your face?
Did you snap the balloon and it hit you in the face?
Boom.
Can you show Mommy your owie? Oh, let's see. Owie. Did Pop kiss it and make it feel all better?
Balloons.
Balloons. What other colors are in there? Where's the blue one?
Egg.
Where's the blue balloon? That's not blue.
White.
Yeah, where's the blue one?
You're gonna snap
You're
yourself.
gonna hurt your finger. Where's the blue one, Tegan? I think you're sitting on them all.
Set.
Yeah.
Set. No.
Should we put them all in a pile again?
Set.
Let's put them all back in the pile.
No.
Yeah.
Pile.
Yeah, let's put all these in here. There. There's your pile.
Pile.
Where's the pink one? Can you get Mommy a pink balloon, please?
S.
That's not pink.
Purple. White.
Yeah. Can I have a pink one? Tegan? That's white. Can you give Mommy a pink one?
Go.
What's with you and these white ones? Give Mommy a pink one. That's red. That's white. Where's pink? That's your favorite color. Where's the pink one?
The piece. Sit.
Where's the pink one?
Sit.
Put this game back.
Are you getting done with this game?
No.
No.